Hey everybody, Colin here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change the tail lights in the 2006 to 2011 Honda Civic SI. Before I get into that, take a second to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Today, I'll be changing the tail lights on this 2008 Honda Civic SI, and procedures will be similar for many of this model from 2006 to 2011, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Open the trunk. Use the trim tool to remove the two plastic fasteners. And pull the carpet back out of the way. Remove each bulb that needs to be changed from the assembly by turning it counterclockwise to release it. Remove the bulb by gently pulling it from the socket. Press your replacement bulb into place in the socket and reinstall the bulb into the assembly by turning clockwise. Repeat these steps for each bulb that needs to be replaced. We recommend changing bulbs in pairs, so repeat these steps for the same bulb on the other side. Put the carpet back in place and replace the two plastic fasteners you removed earlier. Test the lights you replaced to make sure they're working, and if they are, you can shut the trunk. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.